It's Lammy Cam. Hi, I'm Lammy, and we have some new updates for you, especially going around my place. For instance, you may have noticed we got the Wii hooked up, which we've had it for a while. We have had it for a while, but since the new TV, we had to bring it upstairs to our TV. Now it's hooked up down here, so videos will be a little bit nicer, and also whenever we do a GameCube video, it'll be hooked up with a Wii. That's a fun word to say, Wii. Wii.
No. I think it's funny to do actual things on the GameCube.
Well, true. I guess you have better graphics on the GameCube.
Yeah, instead of the GameCube on the Wii.
But it's the same stuff.
I guess. But it's more fun on the GameCube if you're playing GameCube games on the GameCube.
True. So anyway, today we'll be talking about Justin Bieber. Girls don't shriek. I know that girls shriek whenever they hear about him. It annoys the crap out of me. So anyway, now we're back, and Justin Bieber. What about him? A freak? Boyfriend of Selena Gomez, apparently. And a girl. No, he's not. I don't know. He sings like a girl. That's all I can say. Safely. But his girlfriend Selena Gomez, all I know is that she's also a freak like him, a Disney star. There are plenty of them out there. Get a life. Again, I have a solution for you. If you want to get life, play some Minecraft.
Fever, 6G fever.
Whatever. Next up, 5 ways to tell if you are a Bieber freak. I now have my list of 5 things that you can tell if you're addicted to Justin Bieber. Number 1, uncontrollable screaming. No! Second, you cannot stop singing his songs.
Baby, no!
Third, you pass out whenever you think of him, dream of him, speak with him, or even see a picture of him.
Ah, he's so dreamy.
No! Fourth, you want to be his girlfriend even though Selena Gomez has him totally booked. No chance at all. I'm sorry for all those you have dreamed of him being your husband, but get over it. He's a slob. If you have any of these symptoms, talk to your doctor about Minecraft, the new prescription to help with Bieber fever. So go, get a life, right now. I mean it. Help Notch, get Minecraft. Be awesome. So anyway, that was our video on Justin Bieber. As you can tell, a freak teenage boy who already has a girlfriend, for those of you who are wondering. So, see you later.